Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday morning here at our 3-day retreat here at the Kripalu up in the beautiful Berkshires. We just got up a little while ago, and man, I'm feeling so good. My body feels it's like it's being restored. All the yoga. I mean, I did 3 yoga classes yesterday, and last night we wrapped it up with a class on presence, which I think was really cool. It gave me a lot of really interesting ideas to bring back to the poker world, and I'm looking forward to kind of unpacking those over the next couple days with everyone. But I think there's a really cool course related to presence in poker, so I'm going to be unpacking that and trying to figure out how that all holds together. Today's really about actually restoration. So yesterday was kind of our struggle day. We did a lot of yoga, we stretched our body out, we pressed our muscles, we really pushed ourselves to really learn some new movement drills and things like that. Today we're going to be doing some classes on self-healing, both energy-wise, also self-massaging, and so I'm actually skipping the early morning 6:30 a.m. yoga class because you know what, you got to listen to your body, and my body said, you know what, it's okay to chill for a bit. But we're about to start the meditation class and then have a lovely breakfast, and then from there we go into some interesting courses. So again, having a lovely time so far, and I feel really good. I've been sleeping well, and this is exactly what we need as we gear up to prepare and give myself really the space to kind of think about where poker fits in my life, how I want to continue to play, how I want to present myself at the table. And these are just important concepts to me as part of my balanced poker life. So again, thank you for sharing the journey with me. We've got so much more to go. We've got another full day today, half day tomorrow, and thanks. We'll keep you posted. This is the second day here at Kripalu, and it's just been an amazing day. So we not only had a really fun time doing some meditation work, and I had a really deep meditation that really it was all about chakras, and I did some healing energy stuff, and I felt really at peace. And then this afternoon we got to spend some time outside. You know, there's a beautiful lake and a path right here at Kripalu, and there's this really cool thing called a labyrinth. So you know, I knew what the labyrinth is from my mythology days, right? It's where the Minotaur was, blah, 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 and that's where they battled. But in a mindfulness perspective, a labyrinth is a really cool concept where, you know, you not really know what the path is going to take you, but you follow it to the center. And you know, from that you think about what you want to contemplate. You go walking contemplation, as they call it, and it was very helpful for me. I was able to really think about, while I was doing the labyrinth, taking some time and thinking about where everything fits in my life, taking this moment before the series, thinking about my life, my career, my family, my relationships, and my relationship with poker, and bringing it to a whole new level. And this is just another fantastic tool to be able to have the opportunity to do. So again, thank you for following me, and we're going to continue on this wonderful journey. But unfortunately, sometimes you just have to go home.